Today we are going to create Twitter landing page from scratch by using just HTML and CSS. You can find the source code in my GitHub page and link will be in the description. Let's start. I will be using Rubik font for this project. Go to fonts.google.com and search for Rubik. Select the font weights which are not italic. And in import, copy this style which is inside the style tag and paste it in your CSS file. And the font family, give the property to the body tag. So here we have two sections, one with image and one with text and buttons, and we have a footer. I have already downloaded these two images and I have placed it inside the images folder. I will first wrap the contents inside a container, and we have two main contents. First our main contents and then our footer. And inside our main we have two sections, one for our image and one for our right side section. So the first image is in the images folder. I am using live server extension for my VS Code. So when I save the project, I can see the changes here. In our section, we have our logo, we have two headings, and we have two buttons. And first one was a blue button. Inside our footer, we need our contents in horizontal line which are inside an anchor tag. For that, I will use list, and inside the list I will use anchor tag. Copy and paste the contents inside our anchor tag. The last item was not a link, so I didn't use anchor tag for the last item. And for our CSS, override default margin and padding values and give box sizing border box. In our container, we have two items, the main items and the footer items, and the container must have 100 VH height. We need to link our CSS file to our HTML file. I will also use max width and max height properties for our images. Our main content have two items and they are side by side. We need to reduce the size of our logo. Now for our heading tags. For our buttons, we need to give width with the text style in center, background color, border radius, margin, and font weight. And for the blue button, background color is blue and font color is white. We need to make it block level elements and main section is finished. For our footer, we need to remove the list style type, make it in horizontal line using flex properties, change the font weight, font size, text decoration for anchor tags, font color, capitalize the words and give some padding. Now to make it in horizontal line, I will use display properties. And the anchor tag inside, we need to change the font weight, font size, text decoration, color and make it capitalize. And now we need to give some padding between the contents. I will increase the height a little bit. For the buttons, we need to change the font weight. The landing page is ready. There will be small style changes because we are not using the same font which is used in the Twitter page. That's a paid font and we are using free font from fonts.google.com. If you like this video, please drop a like for me and subscribe my channel for future videos. I will be uploading videos like this every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. I will see you in another video. Bye guys.